Hey, so if you want to make Google more fun instead of just searching stuff, yeah, Google actually has a bunch of hidden tricks, Easter eggs, and playful features. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Fun Tricks in 2026. First, type do a barrel roll, so the whole screen rotates once like a game animation. Next, type askew. Your page tilts slightly for a funny hidden effect. All right, search Google Gravity. Open a demo where everything falls like it has real gravity. Now try Google Sphere, so search results move in a rotating circle like a 3D globe. Next, type flip a coin or roll a dice. Google instantly becomes a random decision tool. All right, type timer 5 minutes. You get a built-in timer instantly without any app. And yeah, try fun searches like random topics. You'll often see special result layouts. So that's how you use Google Fun Tricks. They're simple, hidden, and a cool way to make searching more entertaining.